35 lang siguro natin.
Okay, now let's get this. It's already part 1 to get this soap. It's a soap. Excited.
Meron na parin ka lang. Baka lang kasi re-record natin. Dati yan ang makamusan ka po. Oh, yun.
It's really squishy.
Hindi na check the biometric, service biometric.
Kasi kayo, gusto siya is may kayo.
Minsan natin nga doon na ayaw man magalawa. Ang yun yung nakalimbaran-bar ng pipis. Anak ka nervous eh. Tapos minsan naman yung kagalo. Siyempre makapaisip ka. Ay, nakatanda ko yan.
This is so cool.
Naganda ko yan. Kaya nalita yung
Guys,
Please
subscribe, guys. Please subscribe.
yung hard disk na every
pero hindi niya akatang musikan mo kung sisinapin pa ba?
Okay. And there's also an ear.
There's
ear.
Pero ikay pa dalang lang talagang magalang tanong. Akapit mo yung tatay ka. Pipitik mo.
Mga 7
This is beautiful. And this is this. It's right. When
Yung
you
talaga
take
may kain
it,
left, anak pati ko.
yes, this is that thing. It writes. Look.
Ano iliwas niya mo dyan sa glit mo.
I don't know what it writes.
Mag-diretso ko, tapos pasamili na po kanta mag-side.
Guys. It writes. There's no way. I'm so happy. It's a smiley face. Let's decide. If you want part 3, subscribe.